Today, we have an exciting episode for you as we delve into the world of numismatics. We'll be taking a closer look at the Two Pence 2013 coin, exploring its value, and uncovering some fascinating historical insights. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay updated on all our coin-related content. Let's start by discussing the value of the Two Pence 2013 coin. As of my last research in year AL, these coins are still in circulation but are becoming increasingly rare. The value of any coin can be influenced by factors such as its condition, rarity, and historical significance. This taupe coin design, which replaced the earlier taupe design by Christopher Ironside, depicts the second quarter of the royal shield, showing the lion rampant from the royal banner of Scotland, and the denomination 2 pence around above. The coin's obverse remains largely unchanged, but the beading of the ring of dots around the coin's circumference, which no longer features on the coin's reverse, has also been removed from the obverse. Take a look at this stunning piece. The obverse side features the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II, while the reverse side showcases a beautifully detailed depiction of the Prince of Wales's feathers. Now, when determining the value of your coin, it's essential to consider its condition. Coins in mint condition are generally more sought after by collectors. Be sure to consult with experts or use reputable online resources to get the most accurate and up-to-date information on the value of your Two Pence 2013 coin. Now, let's dive into the history of this fascinating coin. The Two Pence coin was introduced in 1971 as part of the decimalisation of the British currency. It replaced the old shilling and was initially larger in size. However, due to the rising cost of metals, the size of the coin was reduced in 1982, and it continued to be minted until 1987. The year 2013 was a significant year in history, marked by notable events. It's always fascinating to connect the design and production of coins with the historical context of the time.